Okay, so we have a new camera angle now. So I am just making pasta for dinner. Also, hi, welcome back to my channel. So I'm making pasta and I've already made a video on this. So this will be just like a time lapse. So if you are new and if you don't know how I make it, you'll still know about it. Anyway, I'm just gonna make the pasta now.
Much later.
What's up, you guys and girls? I have no clue what the day today. It's probably Tuesday and March is coming to an end, I guess. Anyway, I feel like getting dressed up today and making some content. Like, I feel like if I have makeup, I'll use the time and utilize it and actually make some content. After putting on makeup, I don't feel lazy because I don't want the makeup to go waste, so I'll obviously do something or the other. That's why I just forced myself to like actually put on some makeup. Remember that day I used clean up, I have this foundation which is gonna expire in like 3 months from now, so I'll have to use it soon. Quickly, actually, not soon. I'm not someone who applies foundation that much, but I'll have to use it. Also, it's not my shade. I'm gonna just take a little. Feel like it too much. Oh my god, brushes, I still have to clean them. Oh my god, no. Feel like it is too much. We are gonna use the Miniso palette today because I haven't used this in a while. Feel like it too much. Feel like it too much. This is what happens when you apply makeup after years. Okay, so I'm ready. Camera is there, um, and this is gonna be my backdrop. I don't actually like the mirror there, but can't do anything about it, so I'm just gonna keep it there. Let's see if I change it in the middle. But right now, I'm trying to learn the steps. I'm doing this TikTok on Savage. It's quite trending right now. So first, I'll learn the steps, then I'll do it. So yeah, it's not that easy. So I just got done, and I think that was enough cardio for today with the entire dancing thing. My body hurts. So I made like 4 TikToks. 2 of them are like sitting, and then one is like dancing. Another one was also dancing. Anyway, let's see what I do now. I'll just sit and play games. Like that's my everyday routine now. Just do something and productive in the mid daytime. Then by night I'm like tired. Not exactly tired, but like out of like productive energy. So I'll just like sit and do things. I'm gonna try out the makeup remover towel that I got from Miniso. Now what this says is basically I just have to wet this and then rub it all over my skin, and that will basically remove the makeup. I really want to try it. So I'm gonna first wet this. So the towel is now wet and it's like damp, not completely soaking wet. I'll just go ahead and you can see there's nothing here. It actually did remove some makeup. Huh? What the heck? No, if this works, I swear to Lord. Let me remove my eyebrow and eye makeup. No freaking way. It won't remove mascara for sure because my mascara is waterproof. But oh freaking my lord! Show you a close up. Look at that. It actually did remove. I have to remove the mascara, but don't mind that. But it actually did remove. What the heck is this science? It's a blessing for lazy girls like me. Oh my freaking god. You don't need any cleanser or any other makeup remover. I am shook. I am shook AF. What the heck is this science? I'm speechless, guys. I honestly thought this won't work. I'll have to like maybe use a cleanser before actually using this, but oh my freaking god, lord, it actually did remove a lot. Look at that. I'm shook. What I'll do is I'll take a cleansing water on a cotton pad and go all over my face and see if there's any makeup left. Okay, so over here I have the Garnier oil infused cleansing water. I'm just gonna shake it first. I've taken it oil based because my mascara is like waterproof. So let's go. First I'll go over my skin and then the eyes. I'm shook. Holy moly shit. I'm shook. Oh my god. Okay, let's remove my mascara. I don't think this... Yeah, that's still there. So it removes like non-waterproof makeup. So don't expect your mascara to go with it. But like most of my foundation, concealer and my eyeshadow, blush, whatnot, everything is gone. I think it's because of the material that it's made from. Gentle, warm, machine wash, do not bleach, line dry, do not iron. It's made from polyester. I have no clue. It has like this little furry thingy. I think that helps to remove the makeup. I really don't care how many times I've said the word shook because I'm really shook. This lazy girl just found a new way to remove makeup without much efforts and she's super happy about it. Dude, I love this thing. You should definitely get it. You get two in the price of 250, so totally worth it. Imagine how many cleansing oils and everything I have saved. My makeup is gone. Also, your girl's dark circles are back at it again because she's not sleeping as usual. So please ignore that. But like, wow. So I'm gonna try removing a dark red lipstick with it. Please don't mind if I overline or anything because like the viewfinder isn't enough for me. Okay, whatever. You get the point, right? Okay, so now it's dry. Oh my god, my dark circles look so bad. Anyway, so we'll just take this. Like you can see, there's nothing. It actually made like a cute face, but like you get the point, right? My life is saved. Also, if you're wondering, my skin feels soft. It's not feeling dry and it's not super harsh. It's super soft. It's like teddy bears. The material is like that of a soft toy. So it's super soft on your skin, not harsh. And yeah, now I'll just go apply my tonic and moisturizer. We're ready. You guys have lost it. So guys, that was it for this video. Now I don't have acne prone skin or sensitive skin, so that's why I cannot tell you if this will cause me to break out, but if it does, I'll obviously let you guys know in my vlog itself. Also, I quickly wanted to mention, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm planning to do my Instagram followers control video soon, so if you guys want to be a part of it, please make sure you follow me on Instagram and just follow kar lo yaar. I'm trying my best, like be regular and post good edits, so please follow. And that's it. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, stay positive, stay productive, don't leave your house, wash your hands, and I'll see you guys in the next video now. Bye.